Harry faced constant berating from royal family over Meghan's strained relationship with her father. Texts reveal, messages she sent to aide that he saved under Tilly are released by court. Meghan, 40, sued over 5 articles that reproduced parts of a personal and private letter to Mr. Markle, 77. Associated newspapers brought appeal against High Court judge's decision to grant a summary judgment. In newly released text messages, Meghan seen expressing her frustration about response of the royal family. The new texts and emails show that in an email to Meghan in December 2018, Communications Chief Jason Knauf said he had spent close to 2 hours with the authors of the unauthorized biography. The Duchess of Sussex texted a former aide that Harry faced constant berating from the royal family over her strained relationship with her estranged father Thomas. Messages released today, which he saved under the name Tilly, have shown. Meghan, 40, sued Associated Newspapers Limited, ANL, the publisher of the Mail on Sunday and Mail Online, over 5 articles that reproduced parts of a personal and private letter to Mr. Markle, 77. ANL has brought an appeal against a High Court judge's decision to grant Meghan summary judgment, meaning she won her case without a trial. During the hearing this week, ANL's lawyers told senior judges they want to rely on new evidence from Jason Knauf, former communications secretary to the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, who one exchange from August 2018 showed Meghan discussing her drafting of the letter with Mr. Knauf. She told him, "Everything I have drafted is with the understanding it could be leaked, so I have been meticulous in my word choice. But please do let me know if anything stands out for you as a liability." She then told him, "Given I have only ever called him daddy, it makes sense to open as such despite him being less than paternal. And in the unfortunate event it leaked, it would pull at the heartstrings. The rest is in the spirit of facts rather than seeming orchestrated or litigious. Simply an appeal for peace and a reminder of what has actually happened." In a fourth text she said, "Trust me, toiled over every detail," to which Mr. Knauf replied, "Leave nothing to chance, that's the only way through this." Claimed that the Duchess wrote the letter with the understanding that it could be leaked. "But at the same time, I will always love him, but there's a lot of hurt that's happened and I will continue to make it one of my priorities to try and heal that relationship," he told the TV talk show host. Earlier this week, Mr. Knauf claimed in evidence that Meghan wrote the letter to her father in the knowledge he might leak it. Her grounds for suing ANL were based around privacy and copyright. Mr. Knauf also said he provided information to Omid Scobie and Carolyn Durant, the authors of the unofficial biography of the Sussexes, Finding Freedom. In a witness statement, Mr. Knauf said the book was discussed on a routine basis, including directly with the Duchess multiple times in person and over email. Meghan had previously claimed they were not involved in the book, but apologized for misleading the court over her recollections of certain conversations with Mr. Knauf. At the Court of Appeal hearing on Thursday, the 3 senior judges in the case said they will take time to consider their decision and give their ruling on ANL's appeal at a later date.